What's up, guys? It's your girl, May. We're gonna watch this one right here because, well, let's face it, hair, gotta get it. So let's see we don't need that. What are they doing? They're just pouring it on there. Oh, is this like the bleach? No, it's actually green. Okay, I gotta, like, turn this down. Wait, what? What? No, no. Okay. Wait, what is she doing? Go back. Wait, what? Oh, because you have a forehead problem. Oh, oh. What is she doing? Okay, go. Wow. No, an ad, let's come on. Don't. I gotta do this stupid ad, I'm so sorry. Or, oh yeah, I can actually go past this thing. Of course, by hair. Oh my god, skip. Why won't let me skip? Okay. Oh, okay, she's just getting her done. Just fast forward, so I'm trying to do all this. What? Like, no more short hair problems. Like, oh, there's actually something wrong with that? Oh, that had to hurt. I'm not really much of a long hair person anymore, clearly. Wait, what is she doing? She's getting it all over her hands. I really pray that's worth it, Karen. Probably not actually a Karen. But that was definitely not worth it. Like, look at that. Oh, shit. Yes, that was worth it. I take it back, people. Ooh. I'm not a judgy person. Don't worry. What is this? What is they doing? Can you just be happy that you're half bald? Like, please? Don't go back. Actually, no, I did that. That was an accident. Nope, he can't be bald. Bald's not a thing. Like, oh, great, buddy. Those are hair extensions. What? Like, oh, yep, they hair extensions. Everybody can do that. I can't tell how many times I used to do that. Like, do you have to, like, burn the plastic in our hair? Like, wait, why? Oh, so that's so necessary, right? So, a lot of people that I think have real hair actually just have fake hair. Wait, what? I don't even know what to say. I would have thought that was actually her real hair. Like, Dumbler. JK, I'm not dumb. I could just have dumb moments. She's like, please let me just. Okay, if I was really trying to have long hair and I didn't want to have to, like, grow it out, I'd probably do that. Ooh, girl. She's like, just let me wave it for you guys. No, another ad. Woo, girl. I hate ads. hate how she was like slap it on there. Like no, if you're gonna do it, you need to do it right. I do admit it comes out perfect, but you still need to be doing it right. Like, why can't you just do it right? Why can't you just leave your hands, you know, kind of? Unless you ain't got time, then I understand. Because not a lot of people have time, you know. Oh, that actually looks so cool. Making fun of the poor bald guy. He's like, I have plastic on my head, and I got to hold it like a ponytail. Is this what girls feel like? Yes, sir. Then we have to hold our poor ponytails. He's watching him like, this baboon fool. What is he doing? Oh. He says, I can't have the real, I'm gonna have the fake. Like, oh, sir, I didn't know that fake was an option. You're like, now I don't look all depressed. But it's okay to get old. Oh, I love how she has short hair. Short hair all the way. They literally have a whole wig company. And some of them are the same dang wig. I think it's just like cosplaying. She's like, let me show you guys this. She's tucking it in like if it's nothing. She must look like a Girl Scout. I've actually seen her before. She told me she uses fake wigs and not real ones. What? I have to test the products. Like, look at how real it looks. Like, yeah, oh, that looks like a Karen. She said like herself like a Karen. Okay, Karen. I'm so sorry. Me and Karen just never get along. Look at the whole ass wig with the hat. Ooh, we already seen this, so we already know it's gonna look good. As I say, it looks good. She's like, I like it though. Like, here, just let me fix my poor bald problem. Hold on. Hold on now, hold it. Wait a minute. There we go, it's fixed. Never gotta worry about it. Never even happened. Never even happened. Oh, what is she doing? Okay, it's another one, okay. Like, I have it this way all the time. Like, okay, Karen. Is that her actual hair? Oh, she has some funky ass hair. Wait, what? I actually thought, I know this is all about wigs and everything, like hair dye, but I actually thought that was her real hair, and she was trying on products again. No, ooh, okay. Just let me show you how this works. If you don't want to have a forehead, that's okay. You don't have to have one. Whoosh, whoosh, it was never there. Never. I think he purposely shaved his head for this. You could tell it was freshly shaved. He was shaved his poor head for this. Hurry up so I can skip it. Because I'm not in the mood to watch this all day. Thank you. Have you heard about the kid? Everybody. He was forced to shave his head for this. And then use his normal actual hair that he already had in the first place. Just thinking like, why do you have to shave your head for this? You know, I don't get it. Why would you want to shave your head for this? What about the certain people who don't want to shave their head for that? They get big and bulky? No, thank you. I knew some of these people be fake. They can't possibly be real. Like, oh, now you have to have wavy. Like, I don't get you people. See how unnatural that looks? Or is it just me who sees it? Wait, what? So it looks like your actual hair. I get it now. just like you always had long hair. Yeah. She's like, and we even have little clippers for it. She's like, messy hair? Not happening. Not today. Oh, she has really, really short hair. And my thing is dying. That is the end of the video. Bye.